Today we're going to show you a cheat to fix your phone if it won't charge. So this phone is not charging at all. I put the cord in, it's not charging. This is very much like an electrical outlet. You go to a hotel, those outlets have been used forever. You try to plug things in, they fall out, not making a good connection. So on the plug, the male end, this of course has got pins on both sides. Here on the phone, the pins are actually only on the bottom side. So of course, as usual, make sure you clean off the cord. You can use alcohol if you have the power off. You can use a pencil eraser also to clean your cord. Make sure it's clean. And some people say, you can use a paper clip in your phone. I would not use something metal in your phone, but have the power off, or a better thing to use is a wooden toothpick and really make sure it's cleared out, all the lint is out of it. So you might have also seen there's a video out there that does a cheat like this using electrical tape, and that's a way to do it, and it's worked with this phone, but after a while it didn't work as well and you have to change the tape all the time. So I'm going to propose a fix that I think is a little bit more permanent. All right, so we're going to use some plastic for this fix, and I've got this lid here. You might be able to tell this is 0.23 of an inch. And we've got some other plastics here. And I'm gonna use something a little bit thinner. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so this plastic from some cookies is 0.15 of an inch, 0.15. I think this is a good one to start with. You don't wanna do something thinner, and you could always try something thicker if it doesn't work. So we're gonna cut out some of this plastic to put into the phone jack. Okay, so we've cut the plastic small enough that it can fit into the phone jack. Remember, the pins again are only on the bottom. So we're gonna try with this thickness, and we're gonna put in our charger, and lo and behold, it came on, it is charging. So you could just put a piece of plastic like this in it whenever you want to charge. That'll work just fine. We're going to try, do this at your own risk, we're going to try gluing the plastic to the top of the inside of the phone jack. All right, so we're going to put just one drop of super glue on here to hold it to the top. You gotta make sure you're going the right way. Have it sitting there, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. That's gonna hold the glue in as well. And we're gonna leave it there for about 5 minutes and let it dry. So we cut off a lot of the excess plastic, and I'm gonna just glue it right here, fold it over and glue it to the top of the phone. And I like this because if you have a problem with the plastic inside or something, you've got a piece of plastic to grab a hold of and get it out of there. All right, so glue is all dried. Try it out here. And sure enough, phone is charging. Hey YouTube, if you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe. And remember, you can fix it.